What's up, guys? It's Morgan from Morganic Essentials. Welcome back. Today, we are gonna be making an air-fried peach dessert. We're just gonna get into it. You cut them in half. I'm gonna remove the seed as well and cut this one. Okay. Add a little bit of olive oil. So you just want to brush it just with a little bit of oil. You really don't need to add a lot because when you have ripe peaches, it's already really sweet, especially when you bake it. It gets those natural sugars out, so it tastes even sweeter when you cook the peaches. This is a nice dessert because we're not adding any added sugar. Instead of sugar, we're gonna use monk fruit allulose sweetener, the golden one, so it's kind of mimics brown sugar. It's gonna come out nice and sweet without using sugar. So this is not gonna spike your blood sugar. And it caramelizes like sugar does too. And it's all natural. Guys, this is so easy. This is all you do. Sprinkle our cinnamon. Now we're going to add this to our air fryer. So you wanna preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. And we're gonna set a timer for we're gonna set it for 10 minutes. Ooh! Y'all, look at this. Look at this. See how that monk fruit caramelized on the top? Oh, the cinnamon. We don't do ice cream all the time, but I don't believe in depriving myself. On a holiday or once every blue moon, we'll have some ice cream. I'll take my digestive enzymes. I'm lactose intolerant, but I tell you what, a little dash of extra cinnamon. You have some fresh mint leaf would be cute too. This says low sugar. Is it 100% clean? No. But is it gonna be delicious? Yes. And this is a good treat to do every now and then. So we are gonna take a little taste test. Oh, it's so tender. See how that just slides open? Do it with a little bit of ice cream. It was hot. Oh my God. It just melts in your mouth. Let me get a little spoon of just the peach. Guys, this is so freaking good and easy to make at home. Usually at home, when I do this, I do just the peaches, or I'll pair it with some yogurt and a cookie. With the ice cream, this hits. Oh my God. It's like when you have apple pie or cobbler, how do you have it without ice cream? You can, but for a treat. There's no added sugar in these peaches, but this tastes like a whole dessert. Literally 3 ingredients: fresh peaches, monk fruit, a little bit of oil just to stick the cinnamon and the monk fruit on there. Air fry or bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's done, it's over, it's a done deal. This is so fantastic. Guys, definitely make this. Let me know at home what you think. You can do this with other fruits too. You know, I do this with bananas as well. If you wanna go back and check out our video on caramelized bananas, I do have that one for you. You can do this with apples, pears, whatever your favorite fruits are. This pretty much works, right? And you can build upon it or have it just like this if you want. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you make this at home and enjoy. Check out one of our videos up here or up here. Eat well, be well, and I'll see you next time.